Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. If you are new to the channel, a big warm welcome. My name is Tristan Mortlock and this is Captain's Vlog. Now today is Sunday, all the shipyards are closed, so I want to give you guys a tour of all the shipyards here in Viareggio and all the shipbuilders as well. So let's check it out. So on the left here we've got Petrossi Rossi. They do all the they've done all the through hole fittings and all the hard steel works and the shaft removals. It is very quiet day. This is normally absolutely rammed. Here we're just passing the Caterpillar workshop. These are the chaps that are doing all the servicing and engine rebuilding on our Caterpillar engines. Coming up on the right here, we got San Lorenzo, where AWOL was built. Got Over Marine, otherwise known as the Mangusta yachts here. Cantieri Navali. Our Pecca shipyard. So really, the super yacht industry provides thousands and thousands of jobs here in Viareggio, from the engineers to the main engines, the generators, the electrical systems, to GRP, to welders, to carpenters, electricians, electronics experts. It's just a fantastic platform here for them to be working and manufacturing these Italian super yachts. Look, here we go, we're driving past now, cruising past Coda Casa. We've got the Coda Casa yard, the yacht. So it does produce thousands of jobs. All these buildings that we're driving by now, or scooting by I better said, are all yacht related. So you've got hundreds, thousands of people working here, which is, feeding thousands of families. So it's absolutely fantastic. Now about to pass the Polo Nautico, where we have AWOL. Very quiet today. Now we're going to head around to the other side. What's really great about being here in Italy with AWOL is because this is where AWOL was actually built. All the companies that were involved in the build of the boat are here locally. So we've got guys working on board that were working on board 10 years ago during the build of the boat. So they know the boat like the back of their hand, which is actually fantastic for us. They know how all the systems work, where everything is, which has actually been an absolute plus for our time here in Italy. We've got the Alpaca shipyard here. Look what we have here. We have Weird Dreams. For those who don't know, there is another a fellow yachty vlogger called Tom Joe, and this is his yacht. Some of you may recognize it. That's interesting. Tom, if you're watching this and you want to do a vlog together, then leave me a comment in the comments box below. Coming up now, we have the official Mercruiser dealers and service center. These are the guys that did the servicing on the outboards for chasing AWOL. It's a little outboard sticking up there. Pomo la mare. We got a Volvo Penta. Looking at the Penta window. Super Yacht Supply, we've used Super over the years. They pretty much supply everything you could possibly imagine in yachting. It's really weird being here when it's so quiet. Noise is absolutely rammed. It feels like a ghost town now. It's unreal. You need to check out this Perini Navy. It's an absolute beauty. Look at this. I'm not sure what their sailing abilities are like, but that is absolutely stunning looking boat. Incredible. So that's the Perini Navy shipyard there as well. This is where they're all built. It's incredible. We have obviously the infamous Benetti as well. Door open, yeah, they do. You can see Benetti building some more brand spanking new yachts in here. It is literally just row upon row upon row of luxury yachts. It's unreal. Italy just pumps them out. It's incredible. And this is the road where we're living for the winter. This is where the crew house is. So it's relatively close to the shipyard and very convenient. And then just over the bridge we have the nice seafront walkway, lots of restaurants and bars and shops and stuff like that. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that little Sunday morning tour of the empty shipyards and boat builders here in Viareggio in Italy. Again, it's absolutely incredible the boats that these guys are producing at the moment. It's just growing and growing and growing, which is great to see. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Please click that like button. Any questions, please do post them in the comments box below. But until now, See you next time.